Is them your real teeth? Because I always say, okay, Amy. Okay, Amy. Okay, Amy. I was serious.
But you said it so many times as
All
a
right.
joke that I
And
couldn't
I'll
keep
just
a
say-
straight
I'll
face.
say all right this time. All right, Amy. No,
I ruined your artwork.
no, you did not. But let me go ahead and fix it.
Come hither.
Come here. Feed me grapes. Mixed media is that it's a lot like, you know when you finally fix your monobrow? And your dating life just skyrockets after that? That's what mixed media does for me. It's like a world of possibilities.
Once your unibrows
Once you
removed. But I don't
This
want people
It's my
to
signature color.
catch the light and think it is a... Okay. I think you're okay now.
I feel like an orangutan.
I know,
being
we were
groomed.
grooming each other. That's what happens when you stay here too long.
Mixed media and beyond. No, you don't have silver paint on your face.
That's good.
Nor is it on your forehead or your neck.
See, I thought the watercolor video was supposed to be the clean one.
We would never punk you, Amy. Okay, Amy. Amy. Sorry.
I'm kidding. That was
Great.
excellent. That was well done.
Is that gonna make it to the blooper?
It might.
Yes. Thank you for buying this DVD.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for being here. Thanks for being you. That's so used. Thank you for being you.